Hey guys, I just wanted to run a couple things by you about the assignments from yesterday and the upcoming assignments for the new unit. So yesterday you guys took a summative over what we've been going over for the past few weeks, and I gave you all a answer sheet on Friday, that last Friday of school last week. I'm not sure when we'll be back in school, and that's still kind of something that's up in the air, but I went ahead and made an electronic version for an answer sheet so that you guys can transfer over your answers from that paper copy to the electronic version, and that will go ahead and give you your grade for that test. Okay, so I will go ahead and post that. It'll be in a link below this video, so you can go ahead and click on that and transfer your answers over from the test you took yesterday over to that electronic copy. Make sure that you're matching up the correct question with the correct answer that you chose, okay? If you have any questions about that, don't hesitate to comment on this assignment on Google Classroom or shoot me an email, or if you have me on Facebook Messenger, you can always contact me through that. As far as the assignments for today was just taking notes on work. It's talking about the physics version of work is force times distance. So all of the problems that you're going to be working with and the examples that it's going to be asking you come from the PowerPoint that is on Google Classroom. So if you need further help with knowing the examples versus the non-examples, an example would be pushing a grocery cart, okay? You have to apply force and it has to move a distance in order for work to be done. A non-example would be to hold up your lunch tray, okay? If you're just holding it there, you're applying a force, but it's not moving a distance, okay? So no work is being done. Or pushing on a wall. If you're pushing on a wall, you're applying a force to that wall, but zero work is being done because that wall is not moving a distance, okay? So if you have questions about work and what that is, then shoot me an email, send me a message on Google Classroom, any kind of, if you've got me on Facebook, shoot me a message. Tomorrow's assignment is just practice problems with work. There's a couple problems on there. Let me bring those up. I think problem number 6 maybe one of the problems that I need to talk to you about. But yeah, if say on like problem number 6 where it gives you a mass and it gives you the, I'm trying to remember what it says. Let me bring that up. I think it was to calculate, it gives you the distance and it gives you the mass, but it doesn't give you the acceleration. So the acceleration, if it's not mentioned in the problem, you're going to go ahead and use the acceleration due to gravity, which we've talked about before, is that constant 9.8 meters per second squared. So again, if you have to calculate force first and you're not given an acceleration, you're going to use the constant 9.8 meters per second squared as your acceleration due to gravity, okay? There may be problems where it gives you the amount of work being done and ask you to calculate distance. It may give you force and work and ask you to calculate distance. In cases like that, there is a triangle that we usually use in class. It's the work triangle. So work would be on the top of the triangle. Force and distance would be on the bottom of the triangle. Okay, so if you are calculating force, it would be work divided by distance. And if you're calculating distance, it would be work divided by force. Okay, and of course, work is force times distance. If you all have any questions about work or how to do those practice problems, again, don't hesitate to message me. Okay. If you have any questions about the answer sheet, don't hesitate to ask. Okay. But what I want you guys to do, as soon as you get done watching this video, transfer your answers from that test sheet over to the electronic copy on the link below. Okay. If you have any issues, let me know. And I miss you guys, and I will probably make more videos. So, if you need me, just holler. Love you guys.